Hello, members. Now this video will talk about how to take my data, the data for the testing that I save, and I'm passing it to you, how to take it from my Google Drive and put it in your files. So first, you go to the normal file, ADTG, not Anton share. This is the share files. And you go to the very end, the 99 files. And then you go to ES replay. This is a folder for replay data. And I have all these folders saved, but we'll pick up the folder for 320. This is a previous quarter. So if you click that, you're going to see all the different data. You don't want individually to do it, it takes too long. So you go back and then you right click on the folder that you wanted to do. So 320. So right click and you say download. That will download it on your computer. That takes a long time. You'll see here a download section and zipping the file, and it will take a long time, but you have to just be patient. You can do it overnight, like at nighttime. So I already downloaded it, so I don't need to download it twice. And you wait for me, so I'm going to close this. See how it's starting to download it. You can see the blue. So I'm going to close, cancel download, because I already downloaded it. So now I'll minimize this, and I'll open a new window. Not new window, but the files. And I'm going to look for my downloads. So basically, I press on the downloads, and I see this file. I downloaded it today. Apparently finished in the morning. So there's a file. It's compressed file, zip file. And yours, on your computer, you will open the folder with the documents. You'll hit a NinjaTrader 8, you go to databases, and you go to replay. You will have here nothing, or maybe 620, some data from 620. I purposely took the 320 and I changed the name of it, so I really don't have 320 here. So this is my old 320 data. So I have none here. So now I click on this file that is already downloaded. That will be in your computer. You double click on the file and you're going to see this ES folder. And that has, if you double click again, you'll have all the days. So you go back to the folder and you can take it and drag it and put it in your file here where your other file is. Now it should come to 320 once that's finished. That's pretty fast. So it's coming up. Okay, so now you have 320 here. If you press on a name, it will sort them by 12, so 320 is here. And this is a backup data. So if you click on that, you will see all the days. Now you can go ahead and start backtesting on the 320 quarter.